Analytics Publisher, Backlog Reports. 4. Leeward Region Management. In this video, you will learn to navigate to Analytics Publisher from within Wacs. Select and generate your region's backlog report. Customize your region's backlog report to your needs. Let's get started. From any screen in Wacs, move your cursor to the Admin menu, located in the upper left of your screen. Click on Admin menu. You will want the letter O, which represents Open. Scroll down to letter O. You may encounter difficulties with navigating to your destination. Your windows may disappear often while navigating. If this happens, go ahead and left-click on the letter O. Doing so will lock your window and allow you to move your cursor around freely while keeping your previous window open. Now go ahead and click on Open Analytics Publisher. You will now be at your Analytics Publisher homepage. Everyone has their own unique-looking homepage based on what reports you have selected as your favorite. Select Catalog Folders located on the left side of your screen. Let's zoom in. For this tutorial, let's focus on Shared Folders directory. We want the top folder, named Backlog Reports for Meetings. Click on the Expand link here. Now click Expand on the top folder, Wastewater Plants Backlog Reports. Select the third from the bottom report, Work Order Station Backlog for Leeward WWTP. Click Open. You should now see your active work order backlog report. By default, it will show all Leeward Region facilities, along with your active work order summaries and totals. Let's customize a report. Select the down arrow for Station, located at the upper left of your screen here. Let's select only the Honolulu WWTP facility by checking its box only. Now click outside that window to close it. Select the down arrow for Crew, located to the right of the station field, on the upper middle of your screen here. Let's check a few crews that we want to be shown on the backlog report. Now click outside that window to close it. You should now have both your station and crew selected to your needs. You can now click Apply to generate the new changes you've made. You now have a summary and total for the Honolulu WWTP, along with all of the crews that you have decided to select. This report is currently in PDF form and has an additional 35 pages to it. You could choose to save this as a PDF file by clicking the PDF icon on the far right side of the screen. Or, if you would like to refine and filter your report further, go ahead and click the Excel tab to the right of the PDF tab. Doing so will automatically save your Excel file to your downloaded directory on your local machine. Click on your saved file. Your Excel report should now be open. With cell A1 selected, let's go ahead and insert a table. Doing so will allow us to start to filter and refine our results. Click on the Insert tab located within your Excel backlog report. Next, click on Table and hit OK. We now have a formatted table to start refining our report. Clicking the down arrow on any column will bring up a window where we can check and uncheck what we want and don't want shown. This allows you to filter by crew, work order number, priority, status, description, process, required date, created date, and age of work order. Let's finalize this report by setting the required date from newest to oldest. Once you have finished refining your Excel backlog report, don't forget to save it.